If there's one thing not to miss about the Netherlands, especially during this time of the year, it's the many beautiful and colorful tulip fields. As being tourists in our own country, we had to include them because, oh, it's such a beautiful thing to see. We did a little road trip, starting in Lisse. Not just the two of us, but with a tulip color counter. How many full-on tulip fields will we see? We're in the middle of a tulip field. Well, it's not just one, actually. There are so many. It's like, don't you think it's like a Valhalla of tulips? Yeah. It's crazy. It's like, it's so beautiful though, because we have like all the different kinds, and this is like a wild field, and over there you got purple ones and pink ones, and yeah, this is a cool place. It's very busy. It's a bit of a touristy place, but I get it because
yeah, it's a show garden, so
yeah, it's yeah. You can also order tulips from here, and they have like all kinds of mutations. Like I don't know what they've done, but they mixed everything, and they got huge ones and then small ones, mixed colors. Our goal of today is to spot as many different colors of tulips. Well, I guess everything's here.
Yeah, but I think this doesn't count. We have to find like actual fields of colors with them, not just a show garden.
Yeah, that's true. This one, we won't count this one, but it's nice.
Yeah.
It is such a nice farm to walk around, to take some photos of course, and even to order tulips, with delivery service across many other countries. Really clever of them. No, but for real, it's a bit of a touristy and busy place, but I guess totally worth to visit if you ask me. Which ones are your favorites?
I don't know. I really like those red-orange ones.
Ah, with the child or without?
Just running free.
Yeah, it was like, ooh, let's go. We're stuck in traffic. Keukenhof traffic.
Yep, that's the touristy places.
The very touristy places. We're actually almost there. As you can see, there's the parking lot of Keukenhof. And we're not gonna go there because...
Oh, there's way more beautiful fields and there's way less people. So
yeah, exactly.
We'd rather visit those. But then, we just wanted to show you some kind of touristy places.
And it's as in, I understand that a lot of people go there because it is really nice. Yeah, there are a lot of nice fields there, and I don't know, windmills, and I don't even know, I've never been there. And if you think about touristy places, I don't know if you can see it, but what the hell are all these people doing there? Oh my! Wow, it's like, oh, Tulip Experience Amsterdam entrance. What? One tip if you go to, well, to Lisse, or if you go to Keukenhof, there's a lot of traffic, so make sure you go early because you're stuck. Even if you don't want to specifically go there, you're stuck, because we were too. Yeah, but now we made it out, and now we're gonna go up north, or more to the north, and see what's up there. Look at those tulips!
Wow!
Wow!
They are really nice though.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Very colorful.
Ooh, the weather has changed a little bit because it has become very windy and a bit more cloudy, but we've made it a bit up north. No tourists, but look at this. Oh, this is so great. Like, it's a really, really nice colorful field.
It's a really beautiful field. Why are we facing this way?
We should face this way, yeah. Now, more red, more yellow, and white. There's white as well, so...
You can check them off.
Yeah. Oh, let's have a look, because we found a really nice place. Can you see it? Probably not, because I'm not aiming right. Oh my gosh, my video skills. Ah.
Bruh.
I think it's going all the way to the back, which is so nice. Tim is going on an adventure. Tam 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 ta-dam. So we're back in the car. We've seen a lot of fields. Also, besides the tulip fields, a lot of like flower fields. Those are also really, really nice. More like purple and pink ones.
Blue.
And blue, yeah. Because we haven't seen blue tulips.
No.
I was hoping for it, but no. Mostly red, I guess. I think.
Red and yellow and purple or pink.
Yeah.
And orange. Those are like the main 5 colors.
I think last year we've seen more tulip fields than this year, but maybe also because it's relatively early in the year. It's
We're too early, probably.
the 5th of April now, so a lot of the fields or the tulips start to grow when it's like mid-April or the end of April even.
Yeah, we saw some tulip fields that they were just like the green. They were not popped out yet.
Yeah.
They didn't have color yet.
Uh-huh.
And we were like, oh my god, if this field was actually like further in the process, that would have been such a sick field, like insane.
Yeah,
but
then it would be great. It was a nice day, a nice tour. Now we're heading back home.